Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, I am back with a February digital art collection unboxing. My hands are super shiny right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. As the products come in this month, I'll be unboxing them. First up, we have the stickers from Sticker Mule. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. And I have a scissors here. Let's open these up. And they look amazing. Let me go ahead and put some of them down. Oh, the colors look so good. The colors are basically exact to what I created. You guys can see that. So these are the February stickers. They're now available on my website. I'm here to unbox some more products. This time we have my Zazzle notepad and sticky notes. We're gonna go over the sticky notes first. For February, I will always choose you. It is pink and it has the design there. And here is my I will always choose you notepad. So here it is with the drawing there. And remember, it's a limited edition. This is only one because someone purchased one. And for notepads and sticky notes, I only sell 2 of them. That is the sticky notes and the notepad. Everything came out really good. Always love Zazzle's quality. All right, I'm gonna be unboxing something else from the February digital art collection. I'm assuming these are the greeting cards. Move that out the way. I don't know what has been going on lately with Canva, but they have been, my packages have seemed to be missing lately. Here's the inside, and here is the cover. I'm gonna have to work on my lining up because I don't like that. I'm gonna have to work on that, but as I get better, things will look better. These are the greeting cards for February. And it says, I will always choose you on the inside. Logo on the back. Goes in. Of course, it goes with the card. Quality is really good. I'm here to unbox more products from the February digital art collection. And this month, I decided to try out keychains. So they are super small, but still super cute. Little keychains. I'm sure I'll probably put these up for $1 because they're super small. But yeah, still cute in my opinion. That's the keychains, guys. And I have some more products. The keychains, of course, came from Sticker Mule. And then I have the products that came from Canva. Move that to the side. So we have the art print for the month of February. Looks really good. You guys can see. That's the art print. And then I believe this is, can't be the greeting cards. Postcards and the back. So that is all of the products for the February digital art collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and until next time. So that's the postcard, and then the back I changed it up, made it a little bit more elegant.